Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and I'm really a follower of Gayle Van Horne and her husband Larry Van Horne in the books they put out for radio listeners and radio owners. They just put out this global radio guide for the summer of 2021. I believe they put this guide out twice a year, so it's fairly up to date. Got lots of information about radios and what's on shortwave and other things. And what's nice is this, of course, is on Amazon, and you can look inside using this little button here, and they provide a big chunk of the book for you to review for free. So it says they've been doing this for 16 years. They wrote for Monitoring Times when it was being published. A lot of links. And then lots of articles. These are up-to-date articles about different subjects. This one's a Cold War radio demon has returned. Talks about that. And again, remember, this is just the sample. And I got permission from Gayle to show you this sample. More articles. Goes into a lot of details. More articles and pictures. So you're interested in radio and you're just kind of starting, this is a great book to get. You'll get a lot of information on it. Lots of links to other information. There's an article about the Falkland Islands radio war. Lots of details, just lots of details. Let me get down here. So you get all these articles. You get all these articles, plus you get all the databases of. I can't get to go down now. Of shortwave listening and other band listening. And they've included this time, I don't think they had it last time, maybe they did, is information about SDRs. This is really great if you're just getting started. Tells you what it is, how it works, the advantages, the differences. And then it goes into the dongles, inexpensive dongles with links for every one of them. You want to buy one. And it goes beyond the dongle. So this is actually a little box is the outfit. The Air Spy. There it is right there. There's a loop antenna, some attenuators. Just go, and then it gets into the really expensive ones. Tells you a little bit about them, how much they cost. Okay, well, let's go back and show you. Okay, let's go back. Why didn't it go back? That's not going back. Come on. Let me try reloading. There we go. Okay, so here it is on Amazon. If you have to buy it outright, it's $8.99. If you're in the Kindle Unlimited library, which I am, it's free. You download it and it's free. And the library for $9.95, I believe, per month, you can download as many books and magazines as you want, but you have a limit of, you can only have 10 downloaded at one time. So like when you click to download something and you already have 10, it'll ask you which of the 10 books or magazines you want to delete, and then it downloads it. And you get the full book. So you can either pay the $9.95 a month, which I think you get, I don't know what it is right now, but sometimes they have a special where you get a month or two free, and then you have to start paying for it. Look at the page length on this book. 794 pages. Now I'll see if I can, here it is in my Kindle reader on the PC. You can get this Kindle reader for your PC. Now I was trying to see when it gets into the, here's some frequencies of utility radios. It's just chocked with information, and all this has been updated. Here's a good one. Teak's Action Band Hot 1100 Plus frequency list. And there it is, and it gives you a definition of what the channel is. It's 1100 of them. And then in the back, let me see if I can jump forward here. So in the back it gives you listings by frequency. There's the beginning of one. Okay, here's frequency starting at 0700 UTC 3 a.m. So it gives you the time, the frequency, and the name of the transmitter or show. Just a wealth of information. You can't get any more for $9.95 today than something like this. Anyway, check it out. It's Global Radio Guide, Summer of 2021. They do one or two every year. So this is the summer one of 2020 on Amazon. I put it in my Amazon store already. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.